for these lessons. Therefore, I welcome you. Today I'm going to talk to P1 class, and the subject is mathematics. I welcome you ever since you think I last met you on Monday. We are meeting again today. Let me take the opportunity to get someone here who can give us the opening prayer, and we do start our lesson. Okay, I see already there is Nantale Gabriela who is raising up the hand. So let me hear from Nantale. Nantale. Nantale.
Yes.
They
Good
say
morning,
yes, teacher.
teacher.
Nantale. Good
Yes,
morning.
teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, you pray for us as we start our lesson. Thank you.
All of that pray for the things which you have given us. I pray protect us. I pray when I pray for teachers and I pray for the students. I pray we understand what we are learning in Jesus' name. I pray, amen.
Amen. Thank you, Nantale, for that wonderful prayer you have had.
What?
Nantale, can you mute yourself? Okay, thank you. It is very simple. When I give you a chance to speak, immediately after speaking, make sure that you mute yourself. Okay? Like in class, when you put up your hand after saying the answer, of course you sit down, don't remain standing. So when I give you the chance to speak, immediately after speaking, make sure that you do what? You mute yourself. Okay? Let's go on with today's lesson, and we are going to first make a review of the previous learned work. I will not forget today is Thursday, 25th of November, 2021. I want us to make a review of the previous learned work, okay? And I want to first pick someone who can tell me what is a fraction. If I ask a question, what is a fraction? Who can give me a review of what a fraction is? Yes, Alvin.
A fraction is a part of the whole.
Good. A fraction is part of the whole. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Can I have someone spell for me the word? Okay. If I have my fraction here, okay, I have my fraction there. Who can tell me the name given to that fraction? What name is given to that fraction there? Okay. I see Jesse. Yes, Jesse.
Quarter.
Can you spell the word a quarter?
Q.
Yes,
U.
Jesse. Yes.
U-U-A-T-E-R.
Okay. That is Jesse. Jesse is spelling it in that way. Can I have another person here who is ready to tell us what fraction is there on the screen and how do we call it? Okay. That's the simple question I'm asking today. Okay, I have my friend here, Matos, Christian Matos. Yes, Matos.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, tell me.
Naming fractions 1/4.
Yeah, 1/4, but it's called a quarter. Can you spell for me the word a quarter, Christian?
Q A
Yes.
Q
Mm.
A
Mm.
R
Mm.
T
Yes.
E R. Quarter. A
Oh,
quarter.
okay. Quarter is a quarter. Okay, let's go on, members, and we see our word a quarter. Christian, please spell for me the word a quarter. It's there on your screen.
A Q U A R T E R. A quarter.
Thank you. I have another fraction is there. That fraction is called 3/4. Can you go on and spell the word 3/4?
T H R double E Q U A R T E R S. 3/4.
Okay, thank you very much. We are making a quick review of what we learned last time before we look at today's work. I have another fraction here, and I need people to put up their hands and tell me what name is given to that fraction. You people, okay. Let me hear from Kitiwa Chloe. Yes, Chloe. Chloe. Chloe, unmute yourself.
Yes, this.
What name is given to that fraction?
A half.
Can you spell the word a half?
H A
Mm.
L F.
That is half. Wanted a half. Okay, it's there. You spell it.
A H F. A half.
A half. Thank you, Chloe. I have another fraction here, and you can mute yourself, Chloe. I've said after giving the chance, you mute yourself there and then. May I have someone putting up the hand and you tell me the name given to another fraction here, and the chance goes to Shanita. Shanita.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, it's there. The fraction is there.
A third.
A third. Can you spell the word a third?
A T H I R D. A third.
A third. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Anita. The word a third, you got it right. Okay, thank you. Again, when we go to the last fraction, sorry, the last question that we had, we were subtracting fractions. Suppose I do have 5 out of 6 minus 3 out of 6. We say this how we do it. Is there anybody there sharp who is ready to share the screen and you work out that one as we preview our last lesson that we have? Okay, let me give a chance to Ethan. Ethan?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
You know how to share your screen?
No.
No. I need someone who is ready to share the screen and you work out this one. Let me give a chance to Taron. Taron.
Yes, teacher.
Taron.
Yes, teacher.
Speak up. I don't hear you well.
Yes, teacher.
Are you still sleeping?
No.
No. Share your screen. Mr. Dennis is on. He's going to give you the right to share the screen and you work out that one. Quick, 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 quick. Because it is not the lesson you are learning, it is just a preview of the previous lesson. Okay? Taron,
Yes, teacher.
can you share your screen?
Yes.
Yes, go on now. And work out the angle. You're using a computer or a phone?
The phone.
Fine, ready up.
Teacher, I'm finished.
You have finished? Thank you, thank you.
Welcome, teacher.
Yeah.
Welcome, teacher.
Yeah, now you are talking good. Last time it seems you are in bed, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, I think you're in bed. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Taron, for this wonderful work you're doing. So since it tells me that we got them and we understood them. So what we do, we draw the line to separate numerators from denominators. We subtract the ones on top. We maintain one denominator. We draw our 5 counters, 1, okay, and we end up with the answer which is there. Okay, our counters are just coming now. They are just made some input. Now let's go on members and we see what is next. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on. Now today. Okay. Today I'm seeing John. Okay, today we are going to have a look at something special. It is our first time to have a look at it, and it is called time. It's called time. Okay, time. If the word time comes, what do you understand by the word time? If a question comes that is saying time, what do you understand by the word time? Time. What does it mean, time? Okay. Now, time is used in daily life. You wake up in the morning and they say, at what time did you wake up today? But you cannot tell time. I think it was like this, like that. You start counting, you start eating the thing, and you say, Mommy, I don't know. But when I wake up, it was raining. So today we are going to learn how to tell time. Okay, I know everybody has got a watch or a wall clock at home. So when you wake up in the morning, can you tell time? Someone asks you, Taron, what's the time now? You must be important to know, oh, I can tell time using this and this. That's why we are learning today, telling time. It is all part of the lesson that we learn in P1. In fact, we learn time in P1, we learn time in P2, we learn telling time in P3 up to P5. We are still learning how to tell time. But for us, we are quite lucky that we have going to know telling time as it is already here. Now, let's begin with our lesson. Now, before you are telling time, there are some things we need to consider. One, we have to know that when we are telling time, we have minutes and we have hours. Hours and minutes. Okay? Hours and minutes. Those are two things we have to first put in our hands. Okay? Now, I have that one there. When you are telling time on a clock face has two or more hands on it. Okay? Two or more. They must be two or more. Okay? A short hand is for hour. When you look at, I know everybody at home has got a wall clock, so you are able to tell. When you look at the wall clock, there is a short hand, short and big. That one tells hours. It is. Then we have got a long hand, long, but a little bit bigger. Sorry, a little bit smaller than the longer and a little bit big, smaller than the other one of the hand. That one is used to tell minutes. How many minutes? Okay. Then there is always the smallest one of the three. That one measures seconds, and we may not so much go into that one. I'll focus now. By P1, by P2 level, we are focusing on two hands. The short one, which is big, and another one, which is, the short one, which is bigger, and another one that is big. The other, which is the smallest one, we are not going to go for that. Okay? Now, they both move around the clock, but the one that moves, one moves faster than the other. So when they are moving all at the same time, but there is one that moves faster. So the one the one that moves faster is the minute hand. Then the clock hand or the hour hand, it moves a little bit. It moves a little bit slower. Okay. When the long hand moves and points straight in 12, the time will be that the number the short one is pointing to. Okay, but I'll try to explain them more. When you look at these words, I know they are a little bit confusing now. Let's go direct to our example one. Our example one is there, and our example one is telling us to tell time. Tell the time shown on the clock below. Okay, now they're going to draw the clock face. Now, This clock face begins from, when we are drawing it, we begin from 12. Okay, we begin from 12, then we go, we write first write 12 and 6, 9 and 3 in that order. Then we go on 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we move up to 12. Now, we had two things. I've said that when the minute hand moves and points to 12, then when the hour hand is maybe pointing at 6, it will be that time that it is pointing to. To give an example, I have my that one, then I have that one. Okay. Now, I have two hands. I have the hour hand and the minute hand. We have said the hour hand is shorter but bigger. The minute hand is longer but smaller. Okay. Now, when these two are moving, together, let me see if I can pick my pointer here. Okay, let me pick a different color here. Okay, I have this one and I have this one too. Okay, so when this one moves around, it moves and moves and moves and moves and moves, okay, and it reaches here where it will point. This one will be the time. Therefore, I can tell the time, since this one is now pointing, since the minute hand is pointing in 12, and the hour hand is pointing at 4. Therefore, I can say that right now it is 4 o'clock. Okay, I can say it is 4 o'clock. Are we together? Yes. Why am I saying it is 4 o'clock? Because this is the hour, this is the hand that points to the hour, but it is pointing to 4. So I say it is 4 o'clock. Why? Because even the hour hand is pointing to 12. Therefore, I say it is 4 o'clock. Members, are we together? Okay, let's look at example 2. I have my example 2 with me here. I have my example 2. It is here with me. Okay. Tell the time on the clock. Here is my clock. Then what's next? Next, I'm going to draw the hour hand. Then next, I'm going to draw the minute hand. Since the minute hand is pointing at 12, so I would say that this one, the hour hand, where it is pointing, it is the hour. Therefore, I can say it is 9 o'clock. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. Okay, good. Now, if I give you example 2, can someone put up the hand and give me the answer for number 2? And it says, teacher, I think for me, I can give you the example 2, and I know it very well. Okay, I see the first one is John. John.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the example is there. Your example is there. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Okay. Your example is there. Can you tell the time on the clock?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Good. It is 2 o'clock. Thank you, John. I have another one. Whom am I giving the chance? I'm giving the chance to Ethan. Ethan.
Yes.
Okay, I have another one. This one you have said the answer is 2 o'clock. Ethan.
Yes.
Your question is there. Your question is there. Your question is there. Can you tell the time, Ethan?
The time is 5 o'clock.
The time is 5 o'clock. Thank you, Ethan. I need someone. Share your screen. Draw the hour. I tell you what to do next. Okay? Yes, it is 5 o'clock, and that was from Ethan. Okay? It is 5 o'clock. There's another Ethan. Ethan!
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you fine?
Yes.
Okay. Yours is there.
Mm.
Can you man tell the time?
The time is 2 o'clock.
The time is 2 o'clock. Thank you. I need someone who's going to share the screen. And that one must be who? Who can I select? Okay, let me give a chance to Shanita. Okay, Shanita. Someone is still talking. I've said once I've given you the chance.
Teacher,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, do you know how to share your screen?
Yes.
Okay, you share your screen and you draw for us the clock, and I tell you where to put time and you put it there. Share your screen now. Share the whiteboard. Eh? Okay, you draw the clock like how mine was going. You draw fast. Okay, you write. We begin from 12. You draw a big one in the middle. Draw a big one. Okay, like that one. Good. Now you go on. You write put 12 like that, and we move on. Mm.
1,
Mm.
2,
Mm.
3,
Mm.
1, 12,
Mm.
1, 2, 3,
Mm.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Mm.
8,
Mm.
9,
Mm.
10,
Mm.
11.
Okay, you put the short one. You draw the short hand. Hey, don't put it in 2. No, no, no. Put it in 3. You see how it is not easy to draw them, but it is okay. So, what is that time?
It is 3 o'clock.
Oh. It is 3 o'clock. Okay, thank you, Shanita. You can stop the sharing and I share mine also. Okay, let's move on. I think now we have known how to tell time, but on telling time, we are just telling time without minutes. So in the next lesson, we shall learn how to tell time using minutes. Today, I wanted us to do 2 things. One, the first one, I need someone to tell me what time is shown there, and that one must be who? Put up your hand, please. Put up your hand, please. Let me give a chance to Christian. Christian.
Yes, teacher. Can you go behind the net? It's also done with the clocks only. I'm on example. I'm only on example 3.
Yeah, we said when we are teaching, don't write. We shall pick the work from Google Classroom and we write it. Isn't it, Christian?
Okay.
Okay.
But may
Now,
I write? I was saying.
Okay, you go on. Your question is here. Tell the time.
On the clock. No arrows.
The arrows are not there.
Yes.
Okay. So since the arrows are not there, then this is not what we wanted. Okay, you be the one. Okay, let's go on. Christian, you have missed your chance. Your question had no arrows and I don't have what to do next. Okay, the arrows are there.
It is 8 o'clock.
It is 8 o'clock. Can you spell the word 8?
E-I-G-H-T.
Okay, thank you. Now, members, let's move on and we see what's next. Now, next, I'm supposed to have a look at example next. But in this example, we are supposed, Christian, mute yourself. We are supposed to show time on the clock. Okay, meaning that they can draw for you the clock like that one, and they don't put there the what, the hands, the minute, and then they want you to be the one putting them. But how do we put them? On drawing, we have to know that we are going to put the 2 hands, one for the minute and another one for the hour. We said the one for the minute must be pointing to 12. Then the one for the what? Then the one for for the hour must be pointing to that hour they have given you in the question. Suppose what they have given us in the question is 10. So the minute, the hour hand must be pointing to 10. Then the minute one must be pointing to 12. Remember, we said that the minute one is the one that is a little bit longer than this one. This one is shorter, this one is longer. Okay, let's go on and let me draw mine. So since I'm given 10, I've shown it towards 10, it is pointing to 10. Then where do I have to put the one, the minute one? The minute one must be pointing to 12. So I'm putting it and it's going to 12. So I have shown the time given 10 o'clock on the clock shown here. Okay, let me have another person here if he's ready. I'm giving you the hour, then you show it on your screen. You draw and show. I want you to show 6 o'clock. I want you to show 6 o'clock. I need someone I haven't picked yet. I've picked Shanita. I've picked whom can I pick next? I've picked Christian. I've picked Christian. Okay. Who else? Okay. Okay. Who else can I pick here? I think I picked John also. Yeah, John. Ethan, you said you don't know how to share your screen, so I don't know how I can help you now, but let me teach you today. Ethan. You know how to share your screen?
No.
You don't know. Is mommy there?
No. My brother is here. My big brother is here.
Your big brother is there. Okay. So, okay, since the big brother is there, let me make the right to share your screen. Let me give you the right to share your screen and you begin sharing. Okay, you go and share, but there are the whiteboard. Oh, Ethan.
Yes.
Don't share your screen. Don't share your screen. You click in the button share and look for the word whiteboard. You stop sharing. Go back to Zoom. Stop sharing. Press in the button for stop sharing. Stop sharing, please. Look for where Zoom is. Click in that button for stop sharing. It's red now. Okay, now you share again.
You see what you do?
And share again.
Share. Don't share the screen. You share and look for the word whiteboard.
Right.
Okay. Oh, you can even draw the one which is in rectangular form, but you are writing very big ones. I don't know whether they are going to fit there. Okay.
What is that? What? You see what you're doing? What is that?
Ethan, the time it was 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go with what you have there. But there's something I need to teach you when we are drawing this, because we have to learn how to draw them. Now, mute yourself, Ethan, mute yourself. Thank you. Now, suppose this is the your whiteboard, like the one I'm sharing right now. For you, I would recommend one, when you are drawing this, you can use a coin, a 200 coin, a 100 coin. Maybe a 100 coin is okay, or a 1,000 coin. Okay, or you can use a bottle top to draw a good circle. Okay, let me see. Let's see how the teacher even might want to draw mine. This is how we're going to draw it. I'm going to use my coin, and I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw what? I'm going to draw my circle. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to do. The second one, we are going to write time. On writing time, let's begin by writing 12 here. After writing 12, in the same line down here, you go there and write 6. Then come this side. Here, not very far, but like in the middle of the circle, right there, in this line, right there, 9. And go on, also opposite this side. So when you write on, then now you are very okay. Then you can go on and say, you can put this one, but this is 1. You put another one, then we say this is 2. Okay, then what is here? Here it is 4. And what is here? Here is 5. Don't make them too big and you squeeze them. Even mom using my whiteboard, like the way you use it. And in fact, I'm using my phone. Okay, let's go here. We write 7. Let's go here. I write there 8. Now, this is 9. So next is 10. I see. What is next? Next is 11, you see? My wall is okay. But for you, just squeeze everything. Then come and put the dot here in the middle where I'm going to begin from. And I start moving on. Now, the time it was 6 o'clock. Oh, 6. What did I say 6? With 6, I said, we draw the shorthand. The shorthand must be facing to what? To 6. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, let me make it bigger. Here, I've said the shorthand should be pointing to 6. Short and big. Then let's go to the small one. You have said the small one should be pointing in what? In 12. Okay. You see, it is 6 o'clock. Okay. That's the time that we have there. That's the time that we have. So let me go back here. Let me go back here. My screen here, members. We first draw the what? We shall first draw the minute, the hour hand, of which the hour hand that we draw, we have all agreed that it should be short and bigger. Short and bigger. Short and bigger. Okay, then the minute hand, it should be tall or longer and smaller. You see, that is it. Let me have another person here who is here to share the screen. I have another question for you. Let me see here on my phone. Let me see here who is on the call now. We have finished Ethan. We have finished Shanita. Okay. Let me hear from Richie. Okay. I think Richie is okay. Richie.
Yes, teacher.
Ricky.
Yes, teacher.
How are you? How are you?
Fine.
Richie,
Yes.
you now share your screen. You
Yes.
now share your whiteboard.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Your question is there. Look at the screen. Your question is there. Show that one on the clock face. Have you seen the time?
Okay.
Okay. Share your screen and show it. Can you rub off and draw bigger one? Draw bigger one, bigger one.
Okay.
And I told you write 12 up, write 6 down. I was showing you how I did mine.
Okay.
Even rub off that circle is not good. Big, draw a big one. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. I've told you to draw some small ones, but for you, I've drawn very big ones. Oh my God. Hey, but make sure when you're drawing in your books, you draw using something big. Let me see if I have an option of taking care of the screen. Okay. Oh my God. You have enough space, but you draw a small circle. Then also you are using very big letters. That's the problem. The space is big, but for you to do something small. Can you do something big there?
Teacher,
Yes.
can I use this thing?
Use that thing, but make it big.
Okay.
Make it very big. They put it there, then you press it, you make it big. Where are you? Good, good, good. Even you can still make it big. Okay, but use that one. No, 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 no. Already you have made big. You first rub off that one. Okay, you can use that one. It's okay. You can even make it very big. Begin from up and make it bigger. You see? Again. Ricky.
Yes.
Ricky.
Yes.
Rub off that. Rub off that.
Okay.
Now, pick another one. Pick another one. Put it on top and scroll it towards down. It will be very big. Okay, you pick the, no, you go back and pick the text or the pen and you write. I want to give a chance to another person. Okay, Richie is just struggling with technology. Otherwise, technology has let him down. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Ricky. Okay, you write in that one. You have picked a very big one. Pick a small one. Okay. Write 3. Okay. And write 3 the other side. Okay. You can even stop there and show the time now. Don't write any other. Stop there and show the time. Because it was 3 o'clock and 3 o'clock is there already.
The other pen you used to write.
Richie, okay. You show the time.
Short one. Then a long one. Then put it straight like this. Yeah, go. Yeah.
Okay. Richie, thank you there. Thank you.
You said it was 9 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you there. Thank you, Richie. Thank you, Richie. Let me share my whiteboard once again, and we see how best we can do this one here. Okay. Richie was a little bit perturbed here, and but I don't think it was too hard. One, I have said you have to use what we call what? You have to use what we call you can use a bottle top, you can use a coin. Richie, can you mute yourself? You can use a bottle top, you can use a coin, 100 coin, and press it in your book and press a circle there. Like me, also let me get my circle here. You see where I'm going to begin from? I'm going to begin from up as I draw it, scrolling it towards down. That is what Rich failed to do. You can make it as big as you can, but it's okay. In the next lesson, we are still learning time. Maybe I will come with my whiteboard and I show you how it's done using the whiteboard. And Christian Matos has said, teacher, you can even use a cup. Thank you. Then after, what do? You have to write, okay? On writing, first begin here and write 12 here. Then go down and use 6. Okay, here write 9. Here write 3. Then you go on 1 and 2. 4 and 5. Are you seeing it? Oh, my 5 is not good. Let me remove and I put a better one. Here it is 5. Here it is 7. Here it is 8. Here it is 10. And here it is 11. Then what's next? Put there the beginning point in the middle here. And we are supposed to show 3. So we're going to pick our arrow, but on picking our arrow here, we must draw a bigger one. The bigger one must be pointing to 3, bigger and short, and the minute hand one, we have said is a little bit shorter and smaller, and we have said it should be pointing to another one. Now we are here, we are also going to draw the minute one. The minute one, taller but smaller. Then we can say that is our 3 o'clock. Okay, due to interest of time, I'm going to stop here. But in the next lesson, we are going to continue from where we have ended. Next time, we shall be showing putting minutes. Okay, that's what we're going to do, as you can see there. So that is 3 o'clock. I would like to end here due to interest of time. However, I've told that when you are drawing it, you can draw it using, you can use what? You can use a bottle top, the top of the bottle, okay? Let me see if I have my bottle here. Okay, now you can use this one, the one from the bottle of soda. You place it in your book, then you make it rotate. I will do it in the next lesson when I have my whiteboard with me. Okay. Also, you can use a coin, a 100 coin. Put it there, then you rotate around. And Christian has told us, teacher, even you can use what? You can use a cup, but a cup is too big. But you can get a smaller cup or a glass and draw your clock there. Thank you for all being with me today. I would like to say thank you for learning today. Let me get one last person who will give us the closing prayer as we end our lessons. So as we end towards the lessons, I'd like to tell you that we encourage you to go on and study, because in the next possibly next week, but 1, we're going to start our final exams. And all the work we have been teaching from the other time up to now, we shall make one paper of which you shall write and shall give you the report cards. You can use them to present them at school when the schools resume, and they will allow you to the next classes. Okay, thank you all. Let me see if I can have someone here put up the hand if you are ready to give us the prayer and you pray for us.
Teacher,
Yes.
you said that we come at 1.
Sorry.
You said that we come at 1.
We come at 1.
Yes.
I don't get you well. I didn't get you well. I don't get your question well. What are you saying, Richie?
You said that we come back again.
Am I saying that I'm going to come back and teach again?
Yes.
Oh, today, no, I have another class in P3. That's where I'm going to teach now. But I'm done with you. I'm saying the next lesson, maybe next week, that's when I will teach what I wanted to teach. Let me hope I've answered you well, Richard. Okay, I need someone to give us a prayer. Please put up your hand. If he's not there, I'm going to pick Theo. I've not heard from Theo today, but let me give a chance to Gideon Onyango. Yes, Gideon. Gideon.
Yes, teacher.
Pray for us.
Humble yourself before God. Thank you, God, for this day. Give us knowledge and understanding about the exams, and give us our teachers knowledge, teach us well, check them and guide them.
Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for today. I would like to say bye-bye. We meet in the next lesson. See you.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.